Good morning, children. Once again, I am before you with video number 14, chapter number 9, respiration in organism. Today, we will discuss about what? Today, we will discuss about mechanism of breathing. Now, let us come. What happens in the mechanism of breathing? First, you will know about the breathing. What happens in breathing? Breathing involves taking in air rich in oxygen into the lungs and giving out of carbon dioxide from the lungs. Intake of O2 and removal of CO2. So taking in air rich in oxygen into the lungs is called inhalation, while giving out air rich in carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. The reed muscles and muscles of diaphragm work together to aid in breathing. What happens during the inhalation? During inhalation, the reeds are raised upwards and outwards by the contraction of reed muscles and the diaphragm moves down. The volume of thoracic cavity and lungs increases and the air pressure inside the lungs decreases. Third, air from the atmosphere having higher pressure rushes into lungs through nostrils and air passages and the lungs get filled with fresh air. What happens during the exhalation now? During the exhalation, the ribs move downwards and inwards and the diaphragm moves upwards. Ribs and diaphragm return to their original position after that. The volume of thoracic cavity and lungs decreases and the air pressure inside the lungs increases. Air from the lungs is pushed out through air passages and the nostrils. What happens? We inhale and exhale air. What we inhale? We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. But the composition of air inhaled has more oxygen and less carbon dioxide, while the air exhaled has less oxygen and more carbon dioxide. Just go through the data. Inhaled air and exhaled air. In case of inhaled air, O2, that is oxygen, is 21%, carbon dioxide is 0.03%, while in exhaled air, oxygen O2 is 16.4% and the carbon dioxide CO2 is 4.4%. So we can see here that the percentage of oxygen is maximum in inhaled air. Now, one more point. Tidal volume, it is the amount of air inhaled and exhaled in a single straw. What is the tidal volume? It is the amount of air inhaled and exhaled in a single straw. Just see the diagram. What you can see in case of inhalation, rib cage expands as rib muscles contract. Here the air is inhaled. Second stage, rib expands. Rib cage expands as the rib muscle contract. This is the lungs, the diaphragm here. In the downwards you can see inhalation, that is the diaphragm contracts and moves down during the inhalation. Just see this in exhalation. In case of exhalation, just air inhaled, the rib cage expands as rib muscle contact. Here you can see the lungs, diaphragm. So exhalation, diaphragm relaxes, that is the moves up. So this occurs in case of exhalation. Now some of the questions based upon the video number 14, assignment question. Question number 1, what do you mean by tidal volume? Question number 2, define breathing. Question number 3, what happens during inhalation? Question number 4, what happens during exhalation? Question number 5, in which air percentage of oxygen is more, inhaled air or video number 14, in which we have discussed about inhalation and exhalation, that is the mechanism of breathing. Stay home and stay safe.